In today's digital world, our smart and fully digital Safen system software application bring the one-stop solution for operation and maintenance activities in core industries. This is one single application where it will help the employees to carry out all jobs with much more coordination. It is a completely system-driven process and there are no manual interventions, thus keeping safety on high priority. All the activities or tasks has been logged, tracked and monitored with much more accountability. Every user is digitally authenticated with location and reporting-based features. This brings the smart way of reporting to their respective reporting in charge. Respective department or area engineers can digitally monitor the day-to-day equipment's availability through the mobile application. Since safety is the foremost concern, so there is the implementation of smart QR code verification to guide and authenticate every actions of engineers, thus avoiding nuisance near miss. There will be accountability for each task done by engineers with time, which further allows for boosting productivity. Remote reporting and availability of engineers will give instant information to their respective HOD. Job tracking and monitoring with timeline visualizations help to know the work statistics at any instant. Separate critical or emergency task assignments and tracking are also available. Remote quick scanning of any work permit status result time saving. You can be assigned jobs as per the engineer's competence level. Safen system also provides shift schedule management module for hassle-free leave management for all the employees. Managing documents like SOP, technical diary, hazard analysis, engineering drawing, risk assessment, trouble log, work instruction, SMP, inventory, asset, quality and many more are always at your fingertips. Alert notifications setting for any important actions. It is well developed and granted for optimum utilization of resources and keep a room for future integration of AI/ML model.